France will always be home for me because all my family and friends are there. That's where I grew up. I know the culture, the people, the language. It's easy. Yeah, so it's still home. But I live in Indonesia, so that's home too. After a few weeks in France, I miss Indonesia. And when I come back to Indonesia, after a while, I kind of miss France. So it's very hard for me to decide which one is home, which one is not. It's really, I'd say, 50-50. I have lived in Indonesia for 7 years, but it took me about a year and a half to feel like it was really home. The good thing about Indonesian people is they are so welcoming and they will actually make you feel at home very easily.
I have many homes. I was born in the Philippines and grew up there. I pretty much grew up on the university campus. My dad was a lecturer, so I watched a lot of lectures when I was a kid. That seemed really normal to me. So, yeah, the Philippines and the university are my home. But I also lived in Switzerland. I did an exchange here with my high school, and I stayed with a host family. They feel like my second family now. Their daughter is like a sister to me. So, yeah, Switzerland is home now too. The people there didn't need to make me feel at home or make space for me, but they did. And I feel so happy that I went. But really, home is where my parents are. So, the Philippines.